in this situation?
Always lost your remote control? The pattern too small for you? Isn't it battery which you need to change again and again? Something blocking the infrared light?
This is annoying.
Or you are too lazy to set up the speed of fan by yourself?
Don't worry, every problem have a solution. Now we have temperature control fan.
How? Let's begin our project.
Scope is basically it only can move a relatively small volume of air and everything that depends on temperature.
So my name is Ahmad Izzudin bin Hamim. So I proceed my presentation to the method and methodology. In this method and methodology, we have 4 facts indicated in this part, which is title for temperature, microprocessor as controller, component and its function, and control level temperature. By doing this particular action, we learn how to stimulate IDE, DEKC, how to integrate software and hardware, how to execute component, and learning on how to control the level of temperature using sensor. So this is our schematic diagram, which consists of thermistor, resistor, capacitor, and voltage source.
This is our list of components.
My name is Charlester. The temperature will determine if the condition is low or high.
So this is our coding. The LED will be used to display, and button will be used to branch to the second condition, and the countdown will be used for low condition, and count up will be used for high condition. So I'm going to execute it, and we press view hardware. Okay, now run it. So all we can see here, when the natural under normal temperature change, there will be the thermistor will detect low temperature change. This is because when the cooling process is not needed, which means during the normal temperature change, stable temperature, then cooling process is not needed, then the speed of the fan will be decreased, which decrease to 0, which means the decreasing speed of the fan will be eventually stopped. And this condition also apply when the room is getting cooler. And we can see after the countdown reaches 0, it will be repeated again so that new temperature changes will be detected. But if high temperature change is detected, then the count up will begin. This is because the speed of the fan is increasing up to maximum speed, which is 9. And this is to allow the cooling process to occur faster inside the room. And if the high temperature change is maintained, then the count up will repeat it again. But once the room gets cool, the button will be not pressed, and the countdown will begin again. We see the display here changes from high to low.
For recommendation, we suggest on having a user-friendly features where it provides a quick access and also easy for the user to understand. Neat and modern design. Add lamp to the fan. Adding lamp to the fan can create a multi-function product.
So in my conclusion, the student can improve their programming skill, communication skill, and increase bond between group members. My advice before the student start doing the project is to determine what the student will do on this project to ease the student to complete every task. Lastly, it will help students to delve into the field of microprocessor and its language.
Thank you.